For off-grid islands, electricity is never something guaranteed. Without a stable national grid, daily life, infrastructure, and local production all rely on a continuously operating independent power system. In this project, AGG delivered a 20 megawatts prime power plant for an off-grid island in Southeast Asia. 18 generator sets operate in parallel, forming the island's stable power hub. From the core power units to the control system, every key component is designed with one goal in mind: long-term stable operations. As the project progressed, more real-world complexities began to emerge. In the complex environment of an off-grid island, the operating conditions are far more rigorous than those anticipated during the design phase. Challenge 1: Heat dissipation and layout. High-density installation is not only about power output, but also heat accumulation and airflow interference. AGG optimized unit spacing and ventilation pathways to ensure stable cooling and continuous high-load operation. Challenge 2: Continuous operation. Here, power stability is not a requirement, it is a baseline. Cummins KTA50 series engines, combined with 1,000 liters large fuel tank design, enable long-duration, uninterrupted operation. Challenge 3: Synchronization and load sharing. The real challenge is not power generation, it is coordination. The Deep-Sea DSE8610 control system ensures precise synchronization and load balancing, allowing 18 generator sets to operate as one unified system. Challenge 4: Noise control. In sensitive island environments, noise control is critical. The project adopts containerized environment. Noise control is critical, effectively reducing noise impact and balancing power with the environment. In environments where grid access is limited or unavailable, reliable diesel power systems remain a proven and practical solution. With robust product performance and tensile engineer experience, AGG delivers dependable and fuel-proven power solutions. From system design to full operation, AGG remains committed to one core principle: stability and reliability. Powering off-grid and remote regions with confidence worldwide.